Let's take a look at the chart action for MATIC. Alright, so here's what we're looking at. We're on the daily time frame right now, and these are the lines that I have drawn, but let's go ahead and delete that, and I'll show you what I'm looking at from scratch. Alright, so right now we're trending down. We have resistance right here and resistance right here. Let's go ahead and draw a trend line, something like this. And I think this is the main thing I'm watching right now is this downtrend. Until we break this downtrend going to the upside, what I'm doing is targeting this previous support right here at around 1.80. I think I have a limit order set at 1.81. But the other thing I was looking at in my last video, I was saying that we could possibly get a bounce at $2. And this is why, because we have support right here, and support right here. Let's do an uptrend with these two supports right here, like the more previous ones. I mean, the more recent ones, should I say. So let's do this trend line, something like this. I was saying it's possible that we get support on this trend line right here at around $2. And we came down and pretty much hit, I think, let's zoom in and see exactly where we hit. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We can kind of zoom in closer. We actually came down to 1.89. It wicked down right here. So yeah, it does look like we got some support, and it does look like it's moving to the upside. Right now, what I'd be doing, or what I'm thinking, is we have support right here and support right here. Right now, I switched to the 4-hour time frame, and we have a trend line going up like this. So until we break this momentum or this uptrend going to the downside, or we break this trend line right here, then I think we're going to be able to push up and hopefully be able to test this trend line that we were looking at when we zoom out from this resistance and this resistance. I think maybe a target we can maybe look at is this previous resistance right here, maybe sitting around 2.28, something like that. I'm kind of curious if it's going to be able to break through, or if we're going to get rejected and have to maybe retest it a couple times and keep pushing down, maybe come back, hit that 180 moving average, or that 180 level, that 1.80 should I say. And then, so I'm not really sure, but until we break this going to the downside, then I'm assuming that we might be able to come up to this level, or maybe even something like this, maybe a little bit lower, maybe 2.23. I don't know, something like that. Check it out on your own chart. But the other thing I'd probably be looking at, we're on the 4-hour right now, and we have this 180 moving average right here. We broke below it right there, and in general this kind of lines up with where I'm kind of targeting. So what I'm thinking is this might give us some resistance in general. I do like the way we bounced at $2 and we're moving up, but at the same time we still have this resistance, and we're still watching this downtrend pushing us down. So I guess it's just a matter of, is the resistance or the support going to win? Is this trend line going to push down and break through the support, or is this support going to be able to push through this downtrend and push us up? MATIC's been in an uptrend for a while now, and it's been doing really good. So I'm not really sure. I mean, it's possible that we just come through and smash through this downtrend. But what I'm trying to say is I'm going to be kind of skeptical on what's going on until we break through going to the upside on this downtrend that I'm looking at on the daily time frame. I do like the way we hit that $2 and got a bounce though. Let's see if we keep that momentum and break through to the upside. If not, I'll be looking at this support and this support. The first one is around 1.80. The next one is sitting at around 1.50, 1.49, approximately, something like that. This 1.50 kind of actually lines up with this bottom right here. So I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. If we break down, I might be looking more like at 150, something like that. Leave a comment with your price target or what you think is going to happen, and let me know your analysis. If you have any questions or want to chat about crypto, come check out my Discord. If you're interested in getting more price targets, custom videos, or one-on-one technical analysis lessons, check out my Patreon. If you're new to looking at charts and wondering what program I'm using, check out this playlist right here. It's an intro to TradingView, and it'll show you how to set it up kind of looking like mine and how to follow along. Alright, if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.